about yourself.
My name is Miguel Johnson Silva from Roxanne Plaza, Tagusin, Tagusan Resort. And I'm 22 years old. I graduated from Northeastern Mindanao State University, Liano Campus. I degree Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Business Economics.
Okay, can you tell me too what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are analytical thinking and teamwork. A weakness was public speaking, but I'm improving it through presentation and discussion.
Why do you want to work here in our company?
Your company values data-driven decision, which aligns with my background in business economics. I'm excited to contribute and grow in this environment.
Why did you choose business economics?
I choose it because it combines my interest in business and economics, helping me develop analytical and decision-making skills for real-world problems.
Okay, Mr. Felicelda, this is my last question for you. Save the company or protect your job?
I try to find alternative solution. First, like cutting other costs. If layoffs are necessary, I'd suggest the least harmful option, aiming to save the company while treating employees fairly.
Thank you, Mr. Felicelda.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you for watching.